Hi, well, I'm Russell Cross. I'm the Vice President of Product Management at PrentkeRomich Co. And what I'm going to be showing you here is a new piece of software that we have for our devices called Essence. And Essence is designed primarily for the client who has ALS, but also for a number of clients who want to have a system that uses spelling, word prediction, and features like that. The advantage of the system is it's really very simple and very easy to get going. And what I'm going to do is step you through a couple of stages here to demonstrate exactly how this is going to work. And as you look at the screen now, you'll notice that I have two options. One is for 60 keys, another for 84 keys. And I'm going to set you up with the 60 key option. And here you're going to see the basic Essence keyboard. You'll notice that it's very familiar. It's a QWERTY, and that's part of what we're doing here. We want to start with something with which people are very familiar. So if you can spell, if you can read, this is going to work for you. And given that you now have some letters on the screen, I'm going to start spelling. I'm just going to say hello. But look what happens as I start to spell. Up here, we have word prediction. And so if I go up and press the key, we have the word hello. And with word prediction on here, we can carry on. M-Y, my name is R. So if you're able to spell, to read, and to use that word prediction, you can now use the Essence system. It's that simple. If you want something a little different, what the Essence will also allow you to do is to have a different type of keyboard. Most people are happy with the QWERTY, but let me show you another couple of keyboards here. I'm going to press a key called the directory. And here you'll see a whole bunch of different functions you can do with the device. Not only can I use my keyboard, but I can do email, music, messages, timed reminders, remote keys, and a whole bunch of functions that are not just communication, but for everyday living. What I am going to show you here is some keyboard options. If, for example, you want to use this device using eye gaze, which is a very new and very popular way of accessing, sometimes what people want is very high contrast. And what we've got here is a QWERTY keyboard that's got black characters and a yellow background, very high contrast. And this again is one of these popular types of screen. So you can use your eye gaze and do exactly what we did before. We can right. So here's an option with a number of different keyboards on here. And you'll see we have ABC keyboards, AEIOU keyboards, QWERTY keyboards, and we even have one here for people who want to not only spell, but have some really high frequency words available, which again will make you a little faster. So if I do the TH words, look at that. Then, thanks, thank you, thanks, the, that, then. These are phrases and words that people use all the time. And instead of having to spell them and use word prediction, you've got them in two keystrokes. So, just go back. Oh, and before I do that, I'll show you the quick messages. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm okay. Could be better. And a whole set of ways of communicating with one single keystroke to get an entire sequence of words. And I'm going to hop back to my basic keyboard. So you've got letters, you've got spelling, you have word prediction, you have pre-scored messages, and you have some of these other functions. So for example, let me just really quickly as well, I'm going to show you the remotes. Here you're already set up to use a number of things: TVs, VCR, CD player, tape deck, and in fact you can customize this a bit like you do your own remote controls at home. You teach the device these sequences and this will work to operate all the things in your house. So you've got some control over your environment. So you go back, and as you can see, each time that's happening here is I'm ending up on my my home page with the QWERTY. I just want to show you one other interesting feature. messages. You'll see here that I've actually got a lot of spaces in here, and I can customize my own message. And you'll notice that what I've already done is I've written up here, hello, my name is Russell, we can write, but we can't spell. You're welcome, I'm okay, could be better. If that's a sentence that I like and I've used before, what should I can do? I can press save the text and choose where I want it. And in 2 keystrokes, I've taken that entire message and it's now available to me. And what that really means is that if you're spending a little bit of time creating your own messages, it's very simple, very easy to save them so you can reuse them at a later point. I'm going to go back, my ABC page clearly displays. So what I've tried to do there is just to show you very, very quickly how this system works and how it operates. And again, as you probably guessed, within 5 minutes you can be up and running with this system. There's not a lot of learning to do. And just to reinforce the notion here, this is devised basically for those people who want something that's going to be up and running very quickly, that leverages their current skills, which is spelling and reading and writing, and can be used with folks who have ALS or any of the degenerative conditions, so they can be up and running stunningly fast and have not only a communication system here, but also other functions available to them, which includes computer access, telephones, and as I said, even notebook features. So hopefully that's given people a good idea of what this new program's all about. We're looking at it here on a device called the Echo, but it's also available on other devices that we have. So you'll see that we can have this on a smaller portable device, and you can make any of these options. You just choose the one that you want.
Is it shipping now?
It will be shipping on April the 26th. So this is the first showing of it at the show. So I guess people are seeing it for the first time here, and you're filming it for the first time here.